Let's make it happen. 2-box break 2017 hit parade. Famous first. This is famous first 2-box 203. Let's go. All right, Ricky A to Michael W. Let's copy and paste in. Here we go. God, Mitch, I knew they lost some players, wouldn't be as good this year, but God, man, today was horrid. Let's see here, Ricky A down to Rod E. All right, let's do issue numbers next. 1 through 15 to 300. They got to be backloaded somewhere in the product, Gerald. They have a huge print run. Just saying, man. They got to show up in some phase of the sort. That's like we were showing off NT14 earlier. The first part of the product. First part of the product was nothing but Yankees. By the end of NT, Yankees were like done. Couldn't find them nowhere. Very, very Yankee front loaded. All right, guys, there is our list. Funny guy, Mitch. Funny guy. Alright, guys, here we go. Let's do it. See what this one looks like. It is... Uh-oh. Look out. The Walking Dead. The Walking Dead right here. Issue number 100 from July 12. First appearance of Negan and Lucille. Death of Glenn. 9.6. And let me see. That is issue number 100. That's pretty awesome. That is Rod E coming out to you. Rod E. Nice one there for Rod. Rod's been tearing these up tonight. My buddy in Canada, Rod E. Yeah, that's a good grade on that. That'd be a good one to hold on to for about 10 years. Wouldn't you say? All right, guys, here's our next one. Be a good one to hold on to for about 10 years. got, oh man, we might have another good one here. Might have another good one. Check this out, guys. Man, these have been fire today. It's a Watchman. And it's a number 1 from September 86. Check that out. 9.6. This is from September 86, number 1. Oh, Dr. Manhattan Silk Spectre. That's pretty awesome. And number 1, Gerald D. Big old hitties. Gerald D. My goodness. Gerald's going to be hooked on these things now. He hit a couple today. Uh-oh. I might look that up on the price guide, man. That's pretty awesome. They're toward the end of the product run. I think we're starting to see some good hits in that. So 200 on that? Nice. That's pretty awesome. All right, guys, that'll do it for... I got plenty more of those in stock we can do. That'll do it for Hit Parade Famous First. And that's 2-box break number 203. Thanks for joining.